How's it going, everybody? So today we're going to be doing a pretty common interview problem where we're going to print all numbers between 1 and 300. And if any number is divisible by 2, we're going to print cool. And if any number is divisible by 5, we're going to print guy 69. And if any number is divisible by both 2 and 5, we're going to print cool guy 69. Now this tutorial is going to be a little bit different in the aspect of I won't be giving you the solution hands off. I'm going to be giving you a chance to solve it on your own with hints, and a solution will be provided after each step. So let's do this. So for step 1, go ahead and create a loop that will loop all numbers between 1 and 300. Go ahead, give it a try for at least 30 minutes, and if you still can't figure it out, don't worry, there will be a hint provided in the next clip. So the hint for step 1 is create a for loop or a while loop that will be able to print off all numbers between 1 and 300. Well, hopefully you guys gave it a try for at least 30 minutes or more, and if you still couldn't get it, no problem, that's why we're here, we're going to learn. So I'm going to use a for loop to start this off, to loop all numbers between 1 and 300, so let's do for let I is equal to 0, so I is equal to 1, so we want to start off I is equal to 1, and I is less than or equal to 300, so we'll go all numbers between 1 and 300, and to increment it, we're going to do I++. So to test if this actually works, let's go ahead and do console log I, and save that and run it, and you can see that it prints all numbers between 1 and 300. So for step 2, go ahead and find a way to print all numbers that is divisible by 2 to print cool, and if any number is divisible by 5, print guy 69. The hint for step 2 is to create an if statement that will be able to take any number divisible by 2 or 5 and print the respective values of cool and guy 69. Alright, so hopefully you guys give it a try for at least 30 minutes, and if you couldn't get it, no problem. That's how we're gonna learn, is through trial and error. So the solution for this step is that we want to create an if statement that will check if I remainder 2 is equal to 0, strict equal to 0, and if it is, we want to console log cool. Now the next part of it is for every number that is divisible by 5, we want to print guy 69. So that would be else if I, the remainder 5, strict equals 0 is equal to divisible by 5, console log guy 69. Now if we try this out, it won't give us what we want, because you see it right here, it's not replacing the number, but it's just leaving it as is. So we need to make another if statement for this this last console log right here. So we'll do else if none of those conditions happen, console log all numbers between 1 and 300. And if we see that, and that still didn't work. Why did that work? Did that work? Oh, that did work. Okay, never mind. Did that work? Went from 293, 294, yeah, 295, yeah, 296, 297. Oh yeah, okay, it worked. Cool. Alright, so for step 3, any number that is divisible by both 2 and 5, print cool guy 69. The hint for step 3 is to use an AND operator with an if statement, and if you can't figure out how to use an AND operator, look on the documentation for JavaScript and you should be able to find it there. So hopefully you guys gave it a try for 30 minutes, and if you couldn't get it, no problem, that's how we learn. So for step 3, we have to print both numbers that are divisible by 5 and 2, and as you see right here before in the last walkthrough for step 2, I didn't quite have it fixed properly, so let's do that right now. And this is also in mumble jumbled order. I'll show you what I mean by right now. So we're just going to do the AND operator, which is just two and symbols like that. I divisible remainder 5 by 2, and we're going to print cool guy 69 right there. And else if I divisible by 5 is equal to that, we're going to print guy 69. And else if, so we're just going to put it right down here, else if I remainder 2 is equal to divisible by 2, yada yada yada, console log, cool. And that should hopefully give us what we want. Put this right there, do one of those just like that, and print it off. And as you can see, it works. Well, hopefully you guys learned something off this tutorial, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.